CS, thank you for the sub. B-rush? No. Yes?
Yes. Oh my god, that was nuts.
What the fuck?
You came up here, you led them to victory. What do you want to say?
I mean, I knew we were gonna win regardless. Like, we got the God Squad. We got the God Squad, right? We got the God Squad. Yeah. So, yeah, they said thank you. I'm saying thank you to the people at home that watch me on stream and all of us on stream, so thank you guys.
Let's give it up for Team
Geek Plays.
They are your very first Doritos Bowl champions. They put in the work, they put in the time, and they are here on this stage for you guys. So thank you all so much for watching.